In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up and restore your Wix site using CMS backups. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each option does, and how to protect your content before making big changes. Think of a backup as a snapshot of your site's content at a specific moment in time. Super handy if something goes wrong or you need to undo a mistake. Start by opening your Wix dashboard. Log in and make sure you're looking at the correct site, especially if you manage more than one. Choosing the right site at the beginning avoids confusion later when you're checking or restoring backups. Next, head to the CMS section. On the left side menu, you'll see CMS usually sitting just below settings. Click it to enter your site's content management area. This is where collections like blog posts, products, and other database-driven items live, and it's the part Wix can back up for you. Inside the CMS panel, look for the More Actions option. Clicking this opens a menu of extra tools. Choose Backups. You'll land on a page that lists any backups already created for your site's content. If you've never made one, this list might be empty. That's completely fine. To create a new backup, click Add Backup or Create Backup, depending on what you see. Wix will package your current content, pages connected to the CMS, blog posts, products, and similar items, into a fresh snapshot. If your site is large or image heavy, give it a moment to complete. It's a good idea to let the process finish before navigating away so the backup is clean and complete. If you ever need to roll back, return to the backups area through the same path. Find the backup you want and click Restore. Confirm the restore, and Wix will bring your site's content back to exactly how it was when that backup was made. Keep in mind this affects your CMS items and content structure from that time, so newer content changes will be replaced by the older snapshot. A few key reminders as you work. Regular backups are your safety net before testing new features, installing apps, or making broad edits. The backup feature here focuses on your content, not the full visual layout of your site in the Wix editor. For that reason, it's still wise to manually save important design changes as you go. Making backups part of your routine means you can experiment with confidence and recover quickly if something doesn't go as planned. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.